What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to talk about buy orders in the Steam community market. I'm going to show you how to place one, and I'm going to be using Counter-Strike 2 skins for this example. So what is a buy order? It is an order you can place on an item for when it becomes a certain price. You'll be able to pick it up immediately. So you can see there's no active buy orders on this item, but if I search a different one, for example, like MP9 Nexus, we look at like StatTrack Factory New, you can see there's 4,988 requests to buy at $4.37 or lower. Right now it's listed at $5.57. So if somebody lists this for $4.37 or less, the first person in this buy orders queue is going to receive the skin. So you kind of like put yourself in a queue to get a skin for a certain price. Now you could place a buy order for $5 and you'll pop at the top of this queue because this is the highest price someone's put a buy order for, which is like a way to get around it. So maybe you'll see this value go up and up and up, and that means people are cutting in line and putting themselves at the front of the queue for a higher price. So like if I put a buy order for $5.50 and I would be the first person to receive it, and it would say 4,989 requests to buy at $5.50 or lower, but I would really be the first one because I had the highest number placed here, like the highest amount. And then if someone were to, list this skin for $5.50, I would immediately get it. There would be no me having to go into the community market. I would already be charged the Steam dollars, and then it would go into my account. But when you place the buy order, you don't get charged the Steam dollars right away. You only get charged the Steam dollars when the order goes through. So that's also important. You don't like pay up front. You pay once you get the item, which is nice. Okay, I did a jump cut there. It's going to not work for me to place a buy order for this because I don't have enough Steam funds. I got 4 cents in my account. So it's going to tell me to add funds to my account. You need to have Steam dollars. Steam dollars, that means like it needs to be in your Steam wallet so that it can automatically charge you. It's not going to hook up to your credit card. It's going to want you to buy Steam dollars with your credit card before you're able to place a buy order. You need to have enough Steam dollars in your wallet to be able to do this. So let's look at a cheaper skin then. Let's look at something I can afford with 4 cents, okay? Let's go here. Let's go dual Berettas. I know this can have some cheap stuff here. Okay, 4 cents for the dual Berettas Contractor. Okay, or Bordeaux. Oh my god, these are the ugliest thing ever. Okay, there's no active buy orders for this item, so I'm going to place one. I'm going to do a jump cut because it's going to show my personal info here, but I'll show you what it looks like after, and then I'll explain again what this means. So we're going to click place buy order here. I guess I could just blur this portion out here. I'll probably just blur this whole portion out, but yeah, you agree to the Steam subscriber thing. You put the price in that you want to pay. So I want to pay 3 cents. So whenever somebody lists this for 3 cents, I want to immediately put into my inventory and to charge me 3 cents in my Steam wallet. So we can do this. Place order here. Okay, success. Your buy order has been placed. And now if we refresh this page, you can see there is one request to buy this at 3 cents or lower. So if somebody lists this skin for 3 cents, I'm going to immediately be charged for this, and it's going to immediately go into my account. Now, if somebody wanted to do 4 cents, they would go to the top of the line because mine's only for 3 cents, and it would say 2 requests to buy for 4 cents or lower. Now for this skin, there's a ton listed for 4 cents. So if you do a buy order for prices that are already listed here, it's just going to immediately charge you and put the top one in your inventory. So really it wouldn't show, it would still show mine because there's tons of 4 cents options here. But the theory is there. If these were all listed for 5 cents, somebody came in and did a buy order for 4 cents, it would now say 2 requests to buy at 4 cents or lower, and he would be first and I would be second because my buy order is for 3 cents. It's less, so it's going to prioritize the guy who wants to pay more. But yeah, there's only 4 cent skins here, so this is the lowest price you can buy something for in the Steam marketplace. And yeah, I now have a buy order in place, so I can just sit back, I can log off, I can go to sleep, I can do something else, and yeah, I can wait for this skin to show up in my inventory if it ever gets listed for 3 cents, which these garbage skins get listed for 3 cents all the time, so I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, I actually don't want to buy this, so after this video I'm going to cancel this buy order, but hopefully you guys get the concept. Drop any questions you got in the comments, I will answer them and clarify. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. Drop a like as well. Thanks for watching. Buy orders in Steam.